Let's add gradient text in Premiere Pro. First of all, click on File, New, Legacy Title, and now select here the text tool and write your text here, and select your text, and let's change our text font size, and here select the selection tool and you can move the text, and you can also change your text font from here. Now close this window and add the text in your timeline. Resize your text. Now to make this text gradient, go to Effects panel, in Search Effect, type here gradient, and here add this 4-color gradient in your text layer, and here you can see the gradient added. Now under Effect Control, scroll down, and here you will find 4-color gradient. Now it's time to change gradient color, so click on this first color and go ahead and select a different color, and click on this second color box, go ahead and select a different color, and click on this third color box, select a different color, click on this last color, and you can change your last color from here. And here blend, you can adjust this blend, and opacity, you can adjust your gradient opacity. And blending mode, here you will find a bunch of different blending mode. You can go ahead and select one by one, and you have to select the exact one which is suited for your color or your text. And that's how you can actually add gradient text.